In this video, I will show you how to fix phone app not working or phone app does not work using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Tap and hold on your call application, then tap here. Tap storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap OK or delete. Move back and tap on permissions. Make sure you have allowed all the permissions. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. Now check it out, your problem remains or has been gone. If this method not working on your device, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open settings once again. Search for reset. Tap on reset mobile network settings. Tap reset mobile network settings. Select your SIM card on your phone. Tap on reset. After applying both the method, if your problem still remains, then check out the description or pinned comment of this video for advanced solutions. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Peep the deception, yeah, word is bond. These castles of sand don't last beyond the dawn, but hearts with faith find rivers of light, mercy like rain.